Welcome to Matthew B channel. In this class, I am explaining about even and odd. What are even numbers? What are odd numbers? How to manipulate these even and odd numbers? Why we are using even and odd numbers? How can you identify even and odd numbers? Which is odd number, which is even number? What is the difference between even and odd numbers? How can manipulate? That means how can add odd numbers, even numbers? How you can subtract odd and even, and you can multiply odd and even, and you can how can division can do by the odd and even numbers. These are some tricks we want to know about in this class. So first of all, we want to know about what is odd, what is even. How can you identify odd and even? What is the condition? See here, suppose even number and odd number. Okay, even number and odd number. Even number and odd number. What is even number? Which type of numbers are called even numbers? Which type of numbers are called odd numbers? What is the condition? Why you are calling this is even, this is odd? Why you are calling that one? I say, suppose for example, one is even. Why you are not calling as even? That is odd. That means why? What is the condition? If some of the conditions are there for specifying particular digit, particular number is a even or odd. What is that condition? For example, you can divide any number, any digit by 2. Suppose 4 by 2. Remainder is 0. Suppose I will divide some number 5 by 2. There is point is there. So whenever which goes division by 2, when you are dividing a number or digit by 2, it comes to 0. That is even number. Okay. For example, take 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. There is a decimal point. For example, take some 12 by 3, get to 4. Remainder is 0. Suppose we are dividing by 2, that is 6.5. That is odd. Okay, in this way you can identify the even and odd numbers. But what is the least digit in even numbers? What is the least digit in odd numbers? This is very important point you have to observe. Okay, suppose I will say 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, etc. Okay, these are even, these are odd. But what happened to 0? 0 is even digit or odd digit. Which type of digit? How to identify this one? So 0 is even or odd. Is even or odd. This is very important point which you have to observe here. 0 is even. We are calling as even. Okay, 0 is odd. We are calling as odd. What is the condition? See here, main important point is difference between two even numbers is 2. Difference between two odd numbers is 2. Yes? Okay. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. In the same manner, 5 minus 3, 2. In the same manner, 6 minus 4, 2. Difference between two consecutive odd numbers or even numbers is 2. So, suppose I will take consecutive number before this what number? Prefix. Preferred number. What is the digit before 1? That means what? 0. Suppose I will say 0. But what is the difference now? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. The same manner I take here. 2 minus, I will take 0 as even. What is the difference between these two? 2 minus 0? 2. So here difference is 1. Here difference is 2. Which is even now? Which is, this is odd number, this is even number. So 0 is even or odd? Simply. So definitely 0 is even. 0 is not odd. It is definitely even number. That is the reason we are calling 0 as even number, even digit. Okay guys, so this point you have to catch here. So 0 is even digit. Now why we are using these odd and even digits, even numbers for calculating different arithmetic calculations? Already you know clearly 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 dash, and odd equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Clear now? Okay. Now, how we can do the arithmetic calculations? What are arithmetic calculations? You know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. How we can use these odd and even numbers, even digits in these calculations? For example, even addition, you can take now addition. For example, even plus even, even plus even, 0 plus 2 equals to is even. Okay. Again, even plus odd. Even plus odd means suppose 2 as even plus odd suppose 3. What are you getting? 5. 5 is even or odd? Odd. So what happened? Even plus even equals to even. Even plus odd equals to odd. Okay. Please observe this. These are very important in banking exams or some competitive examinations. These are tricks which are used in banking exams or competitive exams. Okay. So please remember this. In the same manner, odd plus odd, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. That is even. Got the point? Odd plus odd, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. That is even. So in this way, you can add even to even, even to odd, odd to odd, gets. These are simple digits, but we got when we have large numbers in crores, millions at that time, in thousands, at that time we want to follow some rules and regulations in mathematics. So whenever we are adding odd and odd, getting even. So that is whenever suppose some 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, some 4. Which is this number is odd or even? Why? Because this depends upon last digit. Whenever last digit is odd, that is odd. This is odd, that is odd number. For example, 7, 6, 3, 9, 1, 5, 6. Which type of this which number? This one. This is even. So this is even. That's all. So this is even or odd, you can say, depends on last digit. That's all. So in this way, we can identify the digit or number depending on the last digit. Okay. So whenever you are doing calculations depends upon these numbers, you can identify easily you can result correct or not. Suppose we are multiplying this one. Suppose last digit is 8 generally. So this is also even number. We are multiplying odd with even. We are getting even. So suppose for example in the examination in the complex exams we got 7. So that is wrong. Just you can say, oh, this is wrong, this is not correct. It's a yes or not. So you have multiple choices there. At that time you can say just whenever we will have last digit is odd, that is not correct. Whenever we have last digit even, but even is there, but which type of even digit is there? For that we want to calculate something. Okay, these are all useful in competitive examinations. Okay, so for that purpose we want to know about these additions. Okay, so in the same manner, odd plus odd plus even, some 6, what are you getting? 9. Again odd. So in this way, these are 4 calculations which we are using in addition. Next we can do subtraction. See here, even minus even. Even minus even. For example, 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. That is even. In the same manner, e minus odd. Suppose take 10, odd means 5, nothing but 5. That is odd. In the same manner, odd minus even, some 7 minus even means 4, nothing but 3. That is odd. Okay, odd minus odd. Suppose 9 minus 3, nothing but 6, nothing but even. Please observe here. Whenever even and even are subtracting, that is getting even. Odd and odd subtracting, that is getting even. But these two cases getting odd. That is the difference you have observed in subtraction. Okay. For example, you want to subtract some number 2, 7, 9, 8, 9, 3. That is odd number. Take another number 1, 7, 3, 5, 9, 6. This is odd. This is even. Why? Because last digits is 3 odd. Last digit 6 is even. Simple. Don't worry about these digits. We want only last digit. Okay? Big digit. Now, what is the answer? See here, odd minus even. Odd minus even getting odd. Yes. So 13 minus 6, 7. 7 is odd or even? Odd. That's all. Odd minus even. That's all. So in the same manner we can do the calculation. In this way we can do so many calculations, depends upon its logic. Take another example. Suppose I will take even minus odd. Even minus odd. Some 2, 3, 4, 6 even minus odd 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. This is even. This is odd. What do you get? 6 minus 5, 1. Which is odd or even? Odd. Even minus odd. Odd getting. In this way, in complex examination, we simply identify that one. Answer is correct or not. So you don't want to do total calculation or so just you can see the problem, just tell which is type of number. That is why we can use this type of tricks in competitive exams. Okay guys, please follow these steps and remember and practice so many problems taking some different numbers and different digits. Okay, next you can take multiplication. Multiplication, even into even. Suppose 2 into 8 is nothing but 16, is nothing but even. Take another example, even into even. Some 12 into 16, what do you get? 192 is even. So this is even, this is even. Even into even, even. In same manner, odd into odd. 3 into 5, nothing but 15. What is this? Odd. Take another example, some big number. 25, yes, odd is 25 into. Take some 3, so 33. Okay, what are you getting? 825. Yes. So this is odd or even? Odd. That's all. So simply you can say this is odd, where depends on last digit. Simply we can say this is even depending on last digit. So in this way you can identify easily which is odd or even by doing this multiplication, odd into odd. Take another example, even into odd. Even, some 4 into odd 3. What are you getting? 4. This is even. Check this. Even some 12 into odd some 3, some 11, 132. Yes, which is even, which is odd. What are you getting? Even. Yes or not? 132 is even. Yes or not? Even into odd. Even into odd equal to even. So in this way you can follow so many tricks. These are all examples are useful in our examinations, in competitive examinations, like banking or RB, whatever it may be, IPS, IAS, whatever it is. So guys, follow these steps. Please remember this. Next you can take odd into even. Same manner. Both are same. Suppose some 7 into even, some 8 is nothing but 56. Nothing but even. Why? Because these two are equal. Competitive law, you know, AB equals to BA. So same manner. Some take another number, getting easily. In this way, we can use these multiplication tricks in competitive examinations. But these are simple digits, but we can get some large digits, large numbers in examinations. At that time, we can remember only point is last digit depends upon last digit. That we can say that is odd or even. And after multiplication, suppose we are now multiplying odd with odd, we are getting odd or not. Check this. Large numbers, suppose some numbers 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 3. This is odd. Multiplication into some 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. What is this? This is even. Now, odd into even means what are you getting? Odd into even. Odd into even, you getting even. 3 into 6. Definitely we can get large digit 6. That is why you can say this is even. In this way, you can identify the large numbers, large digits multiplication. Simply it is even or odd. Depending on that trick, you can say this is correct or not. Okay, these are all useful in multiple choices. Okay, the ABCD is there. You can say simply just you can depends on large digit. We can say the answer. That is the trick which are used in competitive examinations. Okay. Now we want to know about division. Already know division, but how we are doing problems regarding these odd and even numbers or digits. For example, even by even, 24 by 4, nothing but that is even. In the same manner, even by even is nothing but odd. Please observe what happened. Even by even, sometimes it getting even, sometimes getting odd. So this is a very important point in division. I will tell deeply in future classes how it will getting, how can identify this. I will tell in the future classes. Next you can take odd by odd. Odd by odd means suppose 9 by 3 getting odd. Okay. Odd by odd is nothing but odd. Same manner you can take another number. Suppose take another example. 27 by 3 equals to 9. That is odd. So odd by odd is getting odd. Okay. Even by odd. That means even by odd is nothing but even. Okay. Suppose take another example. Some 48 by 3, nothing but 16. That is even. In this way, even by odd gives even. Same manner, you can take odd by even. Same digit you can take. Suppose 3 by 27, 3 by 9. 3 by 9. 3 by 9 means, see here, 3, 9, 0, 27, 3. Again 0, 3, 27. 3, 27. So, getting. What are you getting? That is odd. See here what happened. Even by odd gives even. Odd by even giving odd. So in this way, division is very difficult compared to addition, subtraction and multiplication. Please remember this, because even by even gives one time is even, sometimes it is odd. Odd by odd gives odd, okay, good. Even by odd gives giving even, but odd by even giving odd. So these are very important tricks. I will tell deeply why you are getting in this way. What is the reason? How you can identify simply this is even or odd right after division. So I will tell in the future classes deeply. Okay guys, this is a simple introduction about even numbers and odd numbers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.